like, come on, you can clearly see the difference here in the time and effort and everything put in, right? It's pretty
That is true.
obvious.
Yeah. Dragon's Blood was done over the course of 1 or 2 years, I believe, whereas this,
I don't know.
yeah, I think I read somewhere that was done over like 1.5 years. But like this was obviously
thing
over a
is,
much longer time.
we are like Dota people, so like we tend to like
We
can relate to
said
Dragon's Blood
we.
more, and y'all are Dota people, not me.
Yes,
And
yes.
you relate to the characters more, the story more, all this more. So you still have like a, you still have like a bias, but with that bias also, I liked Arcane way more.
That is true.
Yeah, but that's me. What about you guys?
Well, I will already go ahead. I will scroll through
You
some
haven't said what
Dragon's
you liked
Blood
about Arcane yet.
I will. I already said Arcane was beautiful. It blew me away with the writing and all that. And talk about Dragon's Blood. What difference did you find?
See, I figured Valve and Riot fall under the same category when it comes to the work that they do, right? So I figured, Valve has their own assets to offer. They could have made better looking assets. They could have done a 3D movie themselves. They run in that field. So I feel like they could have been doing the same thing that Arcane did, and they could have probably had a better product in their hands. I'm not saying that Dragon's Blood is bad in any way, but if I had to compare the two, Dragon's Blood comes nowhere close to what Arcane looks like, and it sucks because I know that Valve can do far better than this than Dragon's Blood, than whatever we see is Dragon's Blood right now. So it's kind of disappointing to see that this is what the standard is for Dota.
Yeah,
while,
I'm more excited for Arcane season 2 than Dragon's Blood season 2.
Like I if this is what the quality is going to be for season 2 for Dragon's Blood, I'm really not that interested. I'll see it because I'm more invested in the lore over there because I know the characters and I know there are going to be newer characters showing up. But then from a visual and animation perspective, I'm going to watch Arcane like the day it fucking comes out. The day season 2 comes out. With Dragon's Blood, I'll take my time.
He says that now, but he's going to watch Dragon's Blood like before it even comes out.
Basically.
Of course he is, yeah. Pretty obvious.
Like they've already revealed that Lena is going to be a part of Dragon's Blood season 2.
Audie's in.
Yep. Lena and
He's
one more
invested.
person. Pangolier, no?
No, Pangolier was just a pangolin. It wasn't. It was one of the pangoliers, but
Yes.
not the. It was not the pangolier. Yeah, also this shot of Dragon's Blood looks pretty good. What are you guys saying? This is a nice shot. This looks
Dude,
good.
They spent all their budget in the intro of Dragon's Blood. You remember?
Yeah, that is
That's
true.
the
Yeah.
quality.
See, the intro
Like the
did
intro
look good.
looked beautiful. I was like, damn.
That was a nice 3D intro.
Yeah.
That was good. And then, show came in, it just, it was like, whatever.
I don't know.
I mean,
Yes.
their art still looked good. Their background art looked good. Their visuals looked really good. Just that
It was okay.
it was, well, it was still better in comparison to what the meat of the show was, which was the
Like I
animated
say, if you compare
characters.
something similar to that style, I like Castlevania way more than that.
And it falls in the same style, right? Like under the same style. Many people made that comparison when Dragon's Blood first came out, so it does make sense. But yeah, I'm just generally disappointed that this is what we have for Dota, and because I know that Valve can do way better than this.
Just see it like it's a very natural thing that League has a better show than Dota because Dota's never been.
But that's the thing, right?
Dota's never been about fancy advertising.
It's not been about fancy advertising, but I'm saying that
It
they
would
are
still
very
be
much
cool
capable of
to
it.
have something like that. Yeah. No, I'm not like I don't think Valve will do it because of how Valve has been doing it all these years. Like they concentrate on the game rather than getting
As far as like a marketing
they sell their
strategy
game,
goes.
they market their game, not like ads to like this music videos and whatnot to get people. So that way that works for them. But it would still be cool to see something like that because of course I'm a fan of like
If
the world.
they
and
have
the
to
lore
make
and all
an
that.
artistic piece, then I'm
Just going to
pretty sure
clip
they
every
can do
time
far
Sid
better
says
than
I'm a
that.
fan of Dota or we are Dota people and stuff like that.
Ew. Disgusting.
No, but it genuinely feels like that because Riot Games has always been about making everything look really, really
Always.
pretty
Always,
Yeah.
yeah.
and having a shit game, while Valve has just been like, dude, it's a good game. Play it or get
Yeah.
the fuck out. I don't care about you.
it works for us. We watch the Riot promotional stuff and then we play Dota.
Yeah, that is
Yeah.
So,
Like, it just seems like a very Valve thing to do, to not put out something extremely polished, but just test the waters with something. And if it goes well enough, I feel like they might do more content. Otherwise, they'll be like, nah, it wasn't worth it. We tried. That's enough.
That's
Yeah.
but yeah.
But,
yeah,
but
like this, the Dragon's Blood was like the biggest marketing thing they did.
yeah, definitely, yeah.
Today,
And I'm pretty sure it was just a random project that Valve tried because they wanted to see what the market was like for such stuff. Because if they wanted to, both League and Valve can like just keep going crazy with these lore videos because they have so many different characters.
Yeah, for sure.
But it just felt very like it. I felt like, yes, of course League has better animation. Of course it's going to be. It felt very natural.
Yeah, it felt like something they've been doing throughout.
Yeah.
In
Like
the
it-
music videos.
Each one represents their philosophy really well. And it seems like League has invested in the future with such media because they also came out with a 2D fighter game, which they were talking about, which has apparently also been in the works for a really long time.
I see.
So
Huh.
Riot Games been doing some good stuff for them. And what I will comment on before that is that while I appreciate the amount of content that Riot has put out, when it comes to the actual players, Dota's prize pool is like 45 million and Riot's prize pool is like a fraction of it. It's like some 2 million or something, if I'm right, or 1 million
Yeah,
or
but
something
I
like
don't
that.
think I don't think they crowdfund that shit, right? Do they?
Well, they should.
Well, they should. I'm pretty sure if they do, then they'll get.
I'm pretty sure they
just
have
as
some
much money, if not
crowdfunding
more than
event. There's
us.
no way they only take the entire weight of this thing. So I'm actually like, I would rather these players get paid than we get content, because at least then it's about the game. I feel like that's a very Valve thing to do again. But all that said, this series still blew me away. Loved it. Here are some pictures of the Enforcers. Fuck the
Pictures in
police.